Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, yesterday was my birthday, and then we went to see the Dodgers game. So, as you can see, I got like KIKE Hernandez bobblehead. Yesterday's game was against Toronto Blue Jay, and then at the second inning, Derek Fisher ground out, and second baseman Enrique Hernandez to the first base Max Muncy. Randall Quickhawk scores. So that was top of the second inning. And then on the top of the sixth inning, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. homer on a fly ball to center field. Actually, we left the Dodger Stadium around the bottom of the eighth inning. So we start walking on, so we don't want to get stuck within the traffic or from the crowd. Because previously we got stuck there for like more than an hour, just stuck in the parking lot trying to get out because it was all congested. So on the bottom of the ninth inning, Corey Seager double on the line drive to the right field. And then Max Muncy scores, and then Cody Bellinger scores. And then after that, KIKE Hernandez, or his real name is Enrique Hernandez, single and a line drive to the center field. And then Corey Seager score. So we did another walk-off on the bottom of the ninth inning. So I was kind of surprised because I kind of gave up because it was kind of slow and boring game because Dodgers wasn't even hitting or anything like that. I think when we left, it was only like a one hit. So I'm glad that they finally come back and then score. So, and then take the win. So let's go and then show you guys this KIKE Hernandez bobblehead. So if you're a Dodger fan, you must collect this. So cross my finger. Hopefully this year Dodgers gonna take the World Series. So let's go ahead and take this out. So here it is. Got the KIKE Hernandez bobblehead, and then where's the bat? Oh, the bat is right here. Try to take it out. So he got the helmet and then his sunglasses. His sunglass. Wow, even got a lens on there. That is pretty tight. So he's got his Dodger jersey right there, number 14. Got the blue belt. Dodger socks. Got the Hernandez on the back. Number 14 on the back of the helmet. And then got like a third on the Dodger front hit. And then that's his cleats. Again, you got the 2019 collector's edition. Made in China. So I guess I just put this on there. So I guess that's it. It does not screw around or anything. It's kind of weird. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.